Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we're going to be going over an educational technology tool and it's called TED Ed. And this tool is really helpful for all content areas actually. And you don't necessarily need to register for it or sign up. You can access all the videos on here for free. You just have to go to the general website. And there's all different types of useful stuff on this website. You can look at all the different lessons, which are categorized by subject or age range or whichever you teach. And when you sign up, if you do sign up, it is a free account, but you can also upgrade to like the paid version. And on that, you can click whether you're a student or an educator or other, which is super helpful because it will help filter out the different videos that you want to access if you're a student or if you're an educator. So, and then you can also change your subject with this website if you want to look at all the different subjects they have. They have the arts, business, health, mathematics. They got all different types of cool stuff. So because I'm an art education major, we're going to check out the visual arts section of TED Ed. And as you can see, they have all different types of videos on all different types of stuff related around visual arts. Like the value song, that would be super fun. So let's just click on that one to show you guys. So you can see the amount of questions that are answered and how many views that this video has. And this website is also really helpful because students can click think, and then after the video they can answer these questions that are related to the video, just to see how much they actually learned from the video itself. And another really useful tool of TED Ed is the dig deeper function. If students are really hooked on a video and they want to learn more about it, they can click dig deeper and then they can find out more about the video itself and some more resources. So it's really empowering them to be a proactive learner and dig deeper themselves if they want to. And then there's also a discussion button underneath the videos, and you can click the view discussion, and here you can see all different types of comments that people have left on the video and how they feel about the video, which is really helpful as an educator to see how others respond to the video itself. And so another cool thing about TED Ed is that you can kind of filter out your videos based on collection, like themes, explorations, lessons themselves. Like you can run a lesson off of TED Ed and have students answer those questions that I was showing you. Another cool thing is if you have students sign up for this, they can type their name in, and then you can link them to your class and stuff, and so that you can see how many questions they got right, if they watched the video for homework or anything like that. So it can kind of be used in quite a few different ways, but it has so many great resources on here for education, through the student perspective and through the teacher perspective. So I think that's another really cool thing about this website. And this overall website meets the standard of the empowered learner because students are able to go to all subjects and they're able to actually click on what interests them if they're really intrigued in something, and they can actually learn about it themselves and actually do the quizzes, and that will boost their interest in a subject. So that's another really cool thing about this website. I was looking through the Poudre School District like approved apps and stuff, and since this is not technically an app, it wasn't on there. So when you do use videos from TED Ed, make sure you watch over them and review them before you show them to students, just to make sure they're appropriate and that they also include the content that you're looking for. So there are student talks and there are educator talks. So you can, as a student, students can visit the student talks and talk to other students, see what they think, and then there are also educator talks that are really helpful and also motivational for teachers to watch and share resources that are used in their classroom, which is awesome because teaching is all about sharing what you know. And there's also a donate, and then there's shop, and there's a shop for this, and you can search videos too, which is super helpful. And if you create an account, you can save videos and favorites. So you go to your library right here, and then it'll show all the videos that you like on your account, so you can re-show them in classes and save them for classes. That way you don't have to like research them and find them all over again. There are quite a few tutorials on how to use TED Ed, but it is a pretty straightforward and basic website, and it is really awesome for students to visit so that they're self-empowered and they can actually learn about things themselves. So yeah, I hope you use TED Ed because it has great lessons on it, and you can also import any video from TED Ed or YouTube and create a whole lesson yourself. So you can modify that, take the questions you want, make a quiz if you want, also create your own quiz questions for students to answer. So it can be used as a grading platform too if you use it that way. So yeah, there's all different types of things you can do with TED Ed, and you can use it with many different subjects as we discussed. So I hope that you guys take some time to check out this website because it has so many great resources and also just motivational things as well. So thank you.